Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to take screenshot without power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Usually with power button and volume down button uh, you will take a screenshot. Suppose if your power button is damaged or volume down button is damaged, what will you do? How you will take a screenshot? Okay, from this video you can understand how you can do it. For that, first of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility, and then go to interaction and dexterity, and here you will see one option, assistant menu. Just turn on this assistant menu option, and you will see the assistant menu icon here. Okay, this is the assistant menu icon. Just you can move it anywhere on the screen and go to the home page and go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this Google Chrome page, and just click on assistant menu icon here, and here if you swipe once more you will see a screenshot icon. It's not available here. In the first screen itself it's available. This is the screenshot icon. Just click it and screenshot will be taken. See here, for taking long screenshot you have to follow the same method. Go to the assistant menu icon and click on screenshot icon, and you will get the screenshot, and you have to use the enlarging icon after that, and a screenshot will be enlarging. If you have longer page it will enlarge up to the end. Okay, if you want to stop at the particular area, at the particular point, yes, just click over the screenshot and it will be stopped and it will be saved. This is the long screenshot using this assistant menu option. So you have taken screenshot without power button. It will be easy. Just you go to turn on assistant menu in your phone, and then you go to select the screenshot icon there in the assistant menu. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.